Did you know that bruxism, or night grinding, can damage your teeth? Watch our previous YouTube short for Step 1 on how dental night guards are made. Step 2 is night guard fabrication. The dental mold is crucial here. Using materials like soft, dual laminate, or hard acrylic, we shape the night guard around the mold, creating a perfect fitting barrier for either the upper or lower teeth. Once fabricated, we check the fit and bite, making any necessary adjustments for comfort. Step 3 is delivery. Each custom night guard comes with instructions for wear and care and a protective case. These guards fit snugly and comfortably, without causing pain or discomfort, thanks to the precise mold used in their creation. At 𝐊𝐧𝐨𝐵 Dental Clinic, we ensure your night guard provides optimal protection and comfort. Check out our YouTube channel to learn more.